Ever wondered about the unique varieties of cacti and succulents? These fascinating plant families boast an incredible diversity, each member uniquely adapted to survive in harsh conditions. This has led to a wide range of unique appearances and characteristics. Prepare to dive into a world full of spikes, colors, and resilience. Cacti, the prickly wonders of the plant world, are more than just desert dwellers. Let's delve into some unique varieties like the towering saguaro, the rotund barrel cactus, and the vibrant prickly pear. Each of these cacti sports distinct features and intriguing growth patterns. They're not just a joy to look at, they're also incredibly hardy, capable of thriving in the most arid conditions. Isn't it fascinating how these prickly friends manage to thrive even in the harshest of conditions? Now, let's move to succulents, the water-storing wonders of the plant kingdom. These plants are as diverse as they are beautiful. Take the aloe vera with its soothing gel, the jade plant donning a rich green hue, or the echeveria, a rosette star of many a desktop garden. Their unique shapes, sizes, and colors make them a true spectacle. But it's not just about looks. Their easy care and adaptability make them perfect residents for both your indoor and outdoor gardens. From tiny rosettes to towering trees, succulents truly offer something for everyone. So, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of cacti and succulents. We've discovered their unique varieties, their resilience, and adaptability. If you found this journey intriguing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more botanical explorations. Until next time, keep those green thumbs busy.